Hey everyone, in this video I'm really excited to share with you a comparison video comparing PayPal stock with Alibaba stock and answering the question which one of these two stocks is the best stock to buy. Now each of these two stocks are of very high interest to me, and I'll let you know why at the end of this video, so you're not going to want to miss that. But I'm also really curious to see which one of these two is the better stock to buy. So I had a really good time researching this and putting these two companies under the microscope. So let's get right into it. So for PayPal, in its most recent quarter, revenue increased by 9% to 7 billion. Earnings per share also jumped to 70 cents from 43 cents. Management is expecting the good times to continue, forecasting 2023 EPS of $3.42, which would be a big jump from $2.09 in the prior year. However, it's not all good news for PayPal. Some of the risks here include the fact that its active accounts decreased by 2 million quarter over quarter, and longer term, the company is facing a slew of competition, including Apple Pay, that's coming in trying to take market share of its massive market opportunity. Moving on to Alibaba, which saw its revenue increase by 2% in its most recent quarter to $30 billion. Now, the big news coming from Alibaba is that it's splitting its 6 business segments, trying to make an individual company out of each one of them, taking the Alibaba's cloud segment public and making some big changes in the hopes that it can unlock some shareholder value. Another big thing coming out of Alibaba is that in the most recent quarter, the reopening of economies in China did not prove as robust as initially expected. Investors, including myself, thought the economic reopening in China would increase at a more rapid rate. It would create more economic momentum. That hasn't been the case so far. Although there was one shining light that I'd like to point out here, that for the quarter ending in March 31, online physical goods purchase decreased by mid-single digits year over year. That said, the metric turned positive in the last month of the quarter. So it could be that starting in March, the reopening really started to gain momentum and really started to exponentially increase. But that remains to be seen. That is just one brief snippet of what's going on, and hopefully that momentum is continuing for Alibaba. Looking at these two companies longer term, looking at their operating profit margins over the trailing 12 months, you can see that PayPal has a better operating profit margin at 15.89% compared to 11.83% for Alibaba. Additionally, you could see Alibaba's longer term trend is moving more in the downward direction, although it has rebounded off the lows and is moving higher in the recent year and a half. But over the last 5 years, it's lower than where it was. Same thing with PayPal. Its operating profit margin is lower than where it was in 2018, although the decline is not as pronounced as Alibaba's. Finally, I wanted to compare these two on valuation, and I chose to use the forward price to earnings ratio to compare PayPal and Alibaba stock. Looking at this valuation, one thing that jumps out at me is that each of these two stocks are down big time from their highs. PayPal used to trade at a forward PE of 36, now it's at 11. Alibaba used to trade at a forward PE of close to 30. It's now at 9. So both of these stocks, Alibaba stock and PayPal stock, are down significantly off their highs. Now, to make the decision, if I had to pick one of these two stocks to buy today, which one would it be? It would be really close, but it would be PayPal. PayPal would be my choice over Alibaba as the best stock to buy between these two. However, like I mentioned in the start of the video, these two are both high interest stocks of mine, and in fact, each of these two are on my list of top stocks to buy right now. What is the full list of my top stocks to buy? I'm going to link that at the end of this video, so please click and find out my full list of top stocks to buy right now. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.